Okay, so I got a F450, is a 2006 with a no start issue. I came in here and checked the relay, the fuses obviously, still didn't work. Went in here, checked all the stuff that was in there. Everything seemed good. I even suspected one of the relays they mounted in here. Everything checked out good. What I didn't know was, for some reason, this guy was slightly unplugged. After I plugged this back in, it started. I'm assuming it has something to do with the wiring to the starter. Just wanted to let you guys know.